My name is Matt Bauman. I'll be your rescuer today. Are there any medical conditions I need to know about? Come on, kitty cat. Oh, I'm talking to the cat. Where is she? Because I can't see her through the leaves. Okay. Is it raining? Yes, great. I think we got a thunderstorm coming in. All right, I'm gonna hold on as long as I can. What's your name? What? What? Piper. Well, Piper, you must have been on the pipe to climb this high. Tree Cowboys, Bauman Tree Service. The video that you are about to see is an old video that we even forgot existed. Just got butter all over my stove. Attention, kitty. It was of a cat rescue that we did somewhere in Knoxville for a cat named Piper. Meow meow, come on. Piper, come on, Piper, Piper, come on. Walk on back down. Piper, Piper, Piper. And Piper, although she was cute and cuddly, was dumb as hell. Come on. Oh, buddy. Piper did not want to come out of this dang tree, but instead she insisted that she needed to go higher on to branches that probably wouldn't even support a solo cup. I tell you, I will buy you a can of tuna. Come on, keep coming down that branch because I cannot get to you from here. So, this is a video of me. I got my biscuit stuck. There it is. Making biscuits. And these are homemade too. This ain't none of that Pillsbury crap. This is a recipe that was handed down to me from my mother's mother and my mother's mother. So it's older than shit. But and I remember too the first time, see, this cat rescue took 2 times. It took twice I had to go out here to try and get this dang cat out of the tree. First time I went up, I got all the way to the tip top of this tree, and wouldn't you know it, the wind picked up. I think we got a thunderstorm coming in. All right, I'm gonna hold on as long as I can. It was about to rain, and by God it did. Okay, is it raining? Great. I was way up in this tree, and the wind started blowing, and all of a sudden it just came a monsoon. Yeah, I'm good. I'm coming down. It's getting windy. And I had all my high dollar gear on and stuff, and it all got wet. I was drenched in water, just totally drenched. And I mean, I was about as mad as a wet cat. I was mad about it. Oh, I was so mad I got wet. It was like freaking crap. I wasn't mad at the people. I was just like, I'm wet. I don't like being wet. I don't like being cold and wet, period. So the next day, was it the next morning we came? Yeah, it was the next morning we came out there. Piper was in the exact same place that she was. And I just ran up there, and I think I had to give her a little coaxing there to come down, but come on, you got it. Come on, keep coming down. My dogs just started barking. There may be a crackhead taking firewood out of my woodshed again. Nah, it's fire truck. All clear. Anyway, have fun watching me try to sweet talk a cat. Oh, my helmet is so wet.
Oh, is it?
Oh my God, it's cold. Whew. That was for sure the crappy part. I mean, I was there. I was ready to receive the unit. So we may play a waiting game, waiting for the cat to come to me at least. Yeah, my rope is a little moist. Where are you at, bud? I got about right here. And buddy, that wind just started howling. I was like, two options here. Wait it out, wait for the wind to die down. Wind, not so bad. Torrential downpour, bad. Okay, I see you, cat, come on. Attention, feline. You will come with me. My name is Matt Bauman, I'll be your rescuer today. Are there any medical conditions I need to know about? Let's you and me come out of this thing. Come on. Come on, you can get down from there. I ain't getting all the way up there. I can't. Come on, cat. I have a lot of stuff I need to do today. And you're not helping. Come on. Meow meow. Come on. Come on. Come on. Climb on down here to me and I'll grab you and I'm gonna put you in this bag. Yeah, you can do it. Come on. Come on. You got this. Yeah, you got this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Are you scared to move or what? Oh, no. Buddy, you got me in the tallest, skinniest maple tree. Come on, yeah, there you go. Come on, keep coming down. That's a good girl, Piper. Yeah, keep coming down. Making your way downtown, walking, don't fall. You got it, come on. Keep them claws out. Oh, buddy, come on, come on, come on. Come on, keep coming down. There you go, buddy. You doing good, come on. Come on. You got it, come on, keep coming down. You got it. You are so close, all you have to do is come to me. Come on. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Okay, come on. Here, come on. Buddy. You're stressing me out, okay? Piper, come on. Meow, meow, come on. Walk on back down. Walk on back down. Don't go on that branch. Keep walking down right through here. Here. Want to go up a little higher? Come on, Bubba. Yeah, come on, right here. Oh, come on. Hey, buddy. Good job. Good job. All right. Yeah. All right, here's what we're gonna do, big homie. I'm gonna put you in this. Come on, Piper. Yes, I know you are so loving. Come on. Come on, come back. Come on. Come on. Don't claw me though. Here. Here. I got you. Yeah, there we go. Attaboy. I got you. All right, now we're gonna go in the bag, all right? Well, are you scared still? All right, bud. I got you.
Yes, you did.
Nobody else wanted to touch her.
Well, the cat was. I have a big heart for animals.
See why they didn't want to touch her, but they were gonna let
But
us
here.
get there.
He's in the bag. Bring him inside and release
I
him.
know, baby, but you're out.
He's upset.
So, in conclusion to this video, Piper got back to her family safe and sound. No problems, but I'll be damned if she didn't run out the very next day and go right back up that tree or something. I think that's what we heard. But enough about that story. Look what I did. Hum, 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 hum. That is my new heater. Isn't that nice? Oh, no. Let's bump her up to 82 there. I got wheels, son. Isn't that neat? The little door opens and all that stuff, and it won't burn you, see? Isn't that cool? $75. Kyle's liquidation. Woo!